This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, all right. Let's get started. Today we are going to discussing about reports. Reports is an application within ServiceNow platform, which is common application for every technology and every platform. So if you talk about ServiceNow perspective, what is the report? Reports is an application within the platform used to generate the report and sharing the reports to respective people and generate the report, distribute the report, and publish it. So in this lesson, I'm going to talking about how to create the new report, how you can distribute it, how can you schedule, and how can you publish. ServiceNow platform can be providing reporting capabilities that we can create and sharing the reports to like different people. So those report can be defined in the current state of the incident data. And if you want to get the some data such as how many open incidents are there, how many priority one incident tickets are created on last week. Okay, so this kind of report you will be able to generate from report application. And reporting functionality is available by default for all tables. Guys, do you know what are the reporting tools are available in the market? Tableau, ClickView, ClickSense, Oracle Business Intelligence, and SAP BI, SAP Business Intelligence, and Power BI, and so many extra, like a number of reporting tools are there. Okay, so when you want to generate in the report and when you want to show the data in a visualization manner, so no need to go for any third-party applications. ServiceNow platform will be maintained the one report application itself. That application used to generate the report and distribute as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show how can you create the report, run the report, edit and modify existing report, how can you publish it. Okay, and before I start working with reports, first of all, you would like to know how many types of reports are there in ServiceNow platform. So we can create different types of reports and share them into across all people in our organization. So these all are different types of reports. Pie chart, bar chart, list, Pareto, histogram, speedometer, pivot table, box, pyramid, and trend. So customer may be asked any type of report, but process will be the same. Just we have to apply the different filter condition to generate the report. So now coming to exercise one, creating new report. How you can create new report from ServiceNow instance? Navigate it to Net UI and go to reports application. A report is an application, right? If you want to explore more into report, so navigate it to get started. It will be providing the documentation to elaborate more into reports. And go to view and run. So when you click on that view and run, so the system will be showing how many reports are there by default or else reports are already created in your instance. So now they have created these all instances, like these all reports. So many reports are there, right? And now I'm going to show how to create new report. Click on create new. Click on create new and a system will be navigated to report form. And here we have to provide your report name. Incidents by category. It is the name of your report. So that report has to be generated through which table. So what is the data source? The data source type is a table. In case you want to generate the report and need to be connected to any third party, you can be able to connect it to third party also. But this moment I'm selecting data source is the table. Our data is located in which table? So table, right? Switch table, the table we have to select. I'm going to generate the report in incident table. Okay, provide the name of report, and data source is table, and a table need to be like a report need to be generated from incident table. Click on next, and the data need to be represented in which report format. The data has to be represented in bar chart or histogram and horizontal bar, Pareto, and donut, anything you can select. Okay, so this moment I'm selecting bar chart, and go to next. And the next one is very important. We have to group by the field. So the report has to be generated through based on group by which field, category field. The group by field is category. In case if you want to like a group by Excel group, if you want to add it category by priority. So what are the how many tickets in each category, and depending like a based on priority. So priority, select it. Excel group also added, and a stack by not required. And if you want to display the data label, so you can be able to display the data label. We will discuss later about the remaining components not required. Go to next. Okay. So these all are displaying that category. How many tickets in each category? Inquiry 33, software, hardware like hardware, empty. So all the details we can see over here in the report application. Okay. And in case if you want to display the any data labels, you can be able to display the data labels also. Enable the checkbox data label. So these all are nothing but data labels. These all are data labels. So how many tickets in each category? 33 in inquiry, 13 tickets in software, 10 tickets in hardware, and empty 5 tickets, network 5 under database. Total 68 tickets are there in incident table. So when you want to display the data in visualization manner, so then we can go for reporting. Okay, so what is the matter here? Report type of report is the matter. Remaining will be the same. So depends on the client requirement. We have to select, or they have to select the respect to report type, then they can do it. Okay, so go to the title and go to general tab. So use in color. Suppose your customer asking specific color, so go to use color palette. That color we have to select. Default it is given blue, right? And now I want to take it green dark light. And now I want to display the data labels as well. Data labels in the middle. So now I want to display these data labels in the middle of the each bar. So enable the property and save it. Every time you can be able to save it the report. See, now the report is going to display in green color. So these all are nothing but data labels. So why you are going to add in the data labels? So very easy to understand how many tickets in each category. The group by field is category, right? Okay. So in case if you want to increase that like a chart size, you'll be able to increase the chart size also, and drill down decimal point to everything all you can be able to select it. Okay. And the title, so report title, and the size of the report title. So this is the report title, right? It's sent by category. In case if you want to change the size of the chart title, suppose I am giving 20 size of the, see, size of the chart is right. And so chart title color, so this is chart title, right? So the color is black. In case if you want to give another color, you can give it. So title horizontal alignment, suppose it's showing in center. In case this title you want to display left or right bottom, so you have to set it as per the requirement. So the title will be displayed on the left side. So according to your business requirement, we have to change the some properties in report. So once you created any report, okay, first of all we have to save it. Okay, then after save the report, so we have to apply some condition as per the requirement. In case if you want to apply any filter condition according to the requirement, go to filter condition, and suppose I want to filter by based on priority and save it. So how many tickets in each priority? So in 9 inquiry, we have 9 priority, 1 tickets. Software we have 7, and hardware we have 5, and also the remaining as well. Okay. So percentage of count, this is called aggregation. So 33% of priority one in an inquiry, 25% priority one tickets in software. This is all information we can get it. So total 27 tickets in priority one. So some priorities are belongs to inquiry, software, hardware. So you will be able to apply the filter condition like this. If you want to clear the filter condition, you will be able to clear it. Okay. And once again, you can save it. So remove the filter condition. So according to your business requirement, you will be able to apply multiple filter conditions. Okay. And next, so after created this report, then go to sharing. So when I click on the sharing, automatically system will be showing these all the properties. After created this report need to be shared to whom? So when I click on the share, so this report you want to share to only you, then you have to set the me address nothing but current login user, means who is creating this particular record. Okay, who is the person creating this particular report? The report have to state only the current person. If you want to share this report to everyone, okay, so you have to enable this radio button. This report need to be shown to every person. And if you want to share this report to any specific group or people, so that group or people we have to select. Okay. So in this case, I'm selecting everyone. And if you add any role to the this report, only specific people who have the respective role, only those people will get the report. So this moment I have selected which one? Everyone. And next one is add to dashboard. So whatever schedule we can discuss later about the schedule, and go to add dashboard. Suppose as a developer or administrator, I have created this report. This report I'm going to adding to my homepage, ITL homepage. Yes, where you can add, click on add. So when ITL user login into instance, by default system will be open ITL homepage, right? So this is my ITL homepage. So we can be able to directly inheriting your report. Already they have binding some reports, right? This particular homepage. Recently, I have added one more report to my homepage. Clear? Clear, guys? And now I'm back to my report once again. Okay, go to here, and next one is export to PDF. In case if you want to export this report to any PDF file, click on that PDF, and landscape or portrait, and export. The entire report will be automatically exported to PDF format. So you can download and operate. So once you exported your report, download the report, and you can be able to share to any people. So this is the report. And the report you'll be able to see all the details, incident by category. So I have grouped by category. And when did you run this report? This report is run by whom? And this report has been generated on upon which table and group by category, and you can get all the details. Clear, guys? Okay, so this is about exported report. So why we need to export the report? Some delegates, managers, and team leaders are very busy with their work. That moment they're asking. So already, if you created this report, just I want to get it in PDF format. That moment, as an administrator and developer, what you can do? So you can generate the report according to business requirement, and then we can export it to PDF file that can be downloaded, and you can attach into mail. So already we've seen how we can add this report to dashboard, and then already we've seen how to share it. And now last one is that schedule. What is schedule? So based on the schedule time, automatically the report will be distributed to respective people. It's most important in reporting application. Same activity we do with like scheduled jobs also. Okay, but when you doing through scheduled jobs, automatically the same page will be redirected to the report application. Now I'm going to show how you can schedule the report. So for example, I have generated this report. Okay, this report I want to share like automatically based on the schedule time. I don't want to share this report manually. Based on the schedule time, this report will be triggered and shared to respective people. So click on schedule, and the system will be asking, so when you want to schedule the report. Name of the schedule report, schedule execution like execution of incident by category, and report name. And so this report need to be shared to whom? For example, let me take GMT time. Now time is 3:57 a.m. Okay. What is our system time? System time zone. Yes, it's a GMT, right? Okay, now I'm going to distributing this report based on the schedule time. A schedule. This report needs to be triggered when weekly or daily. So daily what time? Today date is 12th October 2021. Monthly, 3:59. Our time is, I can give that 4. Okay, 4:02. Now I'm going to scheduling this report. So the name will be take automatically, or else if you want to provide your own name, you can provide own name. So which report you want to like a schedule that report we have to select. By default report has been selected, and this report need to be run on when. So monthly. Okay, so every day or monthly, weekly. So according to your business requirement, you can select it. For understanding purpose, okay, testing purpose, I'm giving the today date, whether it is running or not. So this report will be triggered when, so 4:02, and when daily, monthly today date is 12, right? So this month the 12 is already reached, right? And it will be run 4:02. Okay. So next I'm going to provide in the my personal email address. My personal email address is Srinivas as now 2030 @gmail.com, or else 2235 @gmail.com. Okay, so out main configuration is not done for my ServiceNow instance. That's why I'm giving my personal email address. Srinivas as now 2235 Gmail is given, and close it. Okay, so this report will be triggered when, so every month 12th of, okay, every month the 12th, and the morning 4. Okay, so if you want to report, suppose a report may be contain a number of pages, you'll be able to report also. And the report need to be generated in which format? PDF or PNG, any format you can select it. And if you want to including any other report also, you can be able to include in other report. So you can say as of now. Okay, so the report has been scheduled. Now time is 4. So my report will be triggered when, so 4:02. So my report will be triggered 4:02, then automatically send the report to respective mail address. So what is the mail address I have passed here? Let me check. My mail address is Gmail. Okay, let me check once again. So now time is 4:02. Today is Tuesday, October. So my report will be triggered when, so the report has been scheduled. Once again, let me check it out. What happened? It's not saved. 4:04. I think it's not saved properly. Srinivas is now and saved it. Wait until time reached. Now time is 4:02 and 4:03. Wait 4:04. Okay. So when the time is reached, then immediately our report will be execute and share the report to respective email address. Yes. Now time is 4:04. Let me check. It is distributing report or not. Why it's not saving my mail address? So I think we have to publish it. Let me check once again. Time is 4:06. Still the report is not generated. I think so where it is published option, the publish option is not available by default. Why? See, while submit like a generate distributing the report, where is published option? I am unable to see the published option, guys. Why? Schedule, add to dashboard, share and export to PDF and publish. In my report, I couldn't see any published option. It's a room version, right? Share, schedule, add to dashboard, and export to PDF. Let me troubleshoot. What was the wrong? One second, let me reload the browser. So if you want to generate the report and schedule the report, first of all, we have to publish it. But publish option is not visible by default. So what might be the wrong? Go to Google, publish. Publish option is missing report. Might be we have to enable some properties. I think without publish, we can't schedule it. Please go to system properties. I think so. We have to. So we have to enable this property glide report published. So why it is disabled by default? Go to system properties, system properties. Directory construction. I think the value is false. Just we need to make it true. So the glide report published property, it was disabled by default. That's why we're unable to see publish option. I think without publishing, we can't distribute the report. We can't schedule it, I think. Okay. Once again, reload the browser and back to my reports and go to view and run. All instance by saying instance by category. Instance by category. So let me open my report. Okay. So this is my report. Go to the sharing. Yes. Now I'm able to see published option. This published option is not visible by default to administrator. In case if you're unable to see this published option in report application, we have to enable the like a property. Go to system properties. So like dot publish dot report dot publish. So that should be enabled. So then we can publish it. Okay. So first of all, we have to publish the report. So when you publish the report, then the report is visible to all users. So when you unpublish it, it won't visible to any user. Okay, for example, some like the users are not using this report no longer, right? That moment we can be able to unpublish it. Okay, once again back to schedule. Let me schedule it once again. Now, what is the time? GMT. What is the GMT time? Now GMT time is 4:06, right? 4:12. I can make it 4:15. Monthly or weekly? I can select the weekly. What is the day today? Tuesday, right? Weekly Tuesday morning 4:12. 4:12, right? 4:15. I can make it. And the report sent to this mail address universe as now about 235 at gmail.com. Add it, close it. And if you want to share any subject and other details, you can be able to share it and zip out the report. And if you want to include any other report, you can include it. Submit as of now and save it. Okay, this report has been successfully scheduled. Now let me check. As per the schedule time, this report will be triggered and send the distribute the report to given address. This is my address I've given, right? Now time is 4:13. Wait one more minute. Now time is 4:15. It has to be distribute the report. Is there any wrong time zone? Basic configuration.
I think the time zone is different.
Yes, might be actually so the GMT. So basic configuration also I have taken GMT and already I have checked here also GMT. So as for the GMT time zone, this report has to be triggered. But why it's not distributing the report? Sometimes it's
How
not.
how about that run option is there, in the report there is run option no? Next to save
1 second.
run the reports view or run.
We run the report. Open your report. Instance by category. It's my report. It was scheduled and published both. If you want to generate and distribute the report, first of all, that should be published. So the report has been already published also, but a schedule as well. But why it's not?
There is run option is there, no, in the site.
Which one?
What? Run, RUN, run option.
No. Actually, this if you want to generate the report manually, so then you can click on the run. You apply any condition. So to the like the run option kind of it's a preview. Okay. Mansoor. This
G,
run
okay.
option, it's a kind of preview. Okay. So when you apply the condition, now I want to show that the report, how the report is showing to customer. That moment I can click on the run, showing the report initially, okay? But in this moment, what I'm doing, I'm schedule the report. I'm scheduling report.
Yeah, but it's not taking the email address as well.
Yes, just wait. Monthly, it has to be run monthly 12th, and they will not take 0 like a 4. I will take 420. What is it? GMT time zone right now? 418, right? I will take 420, and then submit and save it, run it. And once again, if you open the report, why I'm losing these details?
Next to save, also one more point is there, drop down. Probably it will save as or something.
Already I saved, right?
No, like
Monthly.
next to save, there is one drop down.
Once again, 422 and email address. Perfect. Tell me, what is it? Your concern?
After submitting it,
Body also you can define something. So first of all, let me submit it.
and then next to save, there is one drop down, right?
Where?
Save. Next
Here,
to save.
right?
Save is there, then one down icon is there. Yeah, that's what is that?
So here we have to like insert in the new one or updating something. Suppose if you
Save
want to
as
update
data
this
source.
report.
Save as data source is there.
So then when you click on an update, it will be back to a list of the reports. Okay. Now
No,
let me open my report.
Save as data store. Something.
Just wait. Instance by category. I have scheduled once again, right? Let me check. Time is 418, 420, it will be run 22, right? But first of all, I need to check why it's not saving my report. So once again, open it. I think
Save as data source, yeah.
no, that is different. Service data source.
Oh,
Actually, it will be saved, but I don't know why it's not saving. The condition is not saving. See, when you insert the one more like a duplicate is created, right? This is my report which was already scheduled. And in case, so next one, suppose anybody they are asking this report link, so just you can copy the link. If you share this link to any person, directly the person can be able to open the report in browser. Okay. And the second one is, so this is called report properties. So we can see all the details about the report. So the report is generated from which table, the type of report, so sharing to any group or a person. So the group you can see over here, and users administration, right? And created by whom, and last modified when, and scheduled or not, as it was scheduled, published or not, last runtime and runs. Okay, run on pages. So we can see all the details over here. And go to the sharing tab. If you want to share the report to any person or group, so go to that share and we can do it. And might be, I think we need to make it public. Click on OK. So share it's public, right? Okay, fine. Next one. And might be me, I have selected, I think that's the reason. Go to that unpublished, already it was published, and go to schedule tab. So I can do it monthly. 12th, time is 4:22:23, right? I can make it 4:25 or 6:26, and the subject is not required, and submit.
Mail IDs.
Mail ID is not, still it's not saved. Let me give that mail address. I will give that email address here also. 35@gmail.com.
At the top also there is an email address, enter email address.
Just I'm giving here also. It is not taking. Okay, we have to give the email address here only. It's not considered. This is email address. Okay. Correct email address I have passed, and it has to be run monthly. 12th, today date is 12th. Time is 4:26. Okay, subject. Incidents by category. If you want to include in the one more report, we can include it, and then submit, and saved it, run it. Let me check last time. So definitely it will work, guys, but why it's not working, I don't know. It is, I think it's not accepting any Gmail address. Previously I done so many times. It is showing schedule, but schedule time is not showing. No, actually it is not saying the schedule time in my schedule application. Schedule form, I think that is the reason it's not scheduled the report as per the schedule time. But anyway, so in the real case, just we have to define the timeline. So when you want to schedule the report and distribute the report to the customers. Okay, so this moment you can ignore it. So when we're working with scheduled jobs, that moment once again we can working on the scheduled report. Okay, and last one. So when the people is no longer using this particular report, you can be able to unpublish it. So when you unpublish the report, this report is not visible to any customer. So once again, so many people are asking to join like us see the report. That moment we can be able to publish it. Okay, guys, depends on the client requirement. So we have to select the type of report. Okay, Any questions? These all are data labels. Any questions, guys?
No, Srinivas.
All
I'm
right.
good.
It's a very simple application, but very important. There is no complexity in report application, but the problem is it's not scheduling. I don't know the reason. Okay, so once again, so we can discuss, okay, about the reports, schedule report through scheduled jobs. Okay, guys, I'm going to end our class today. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you, Srinivas.